What is going on, everybody? So let's go ahead and talk about Tesla. First off, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button when you're done watching this video. Let's talk about Tesla. Okay, Tesla's range in daily, channels are getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. And there's only one of two things that's going to happen. Tesla is not going to continue to trade sideways forever. There's two things that are going to happen. We're going to have a massive macro break if Tesla can reclaim that 50-day moving average, or we are going to get a complete breakdown with overall market weakness, and Tesla is going to have a lot of room to the downside. So I like trading Tesla. I trade Tesla a few times a week just because the average true range on Tesla can give you some nice spikes, opportunities for some scalps. So today we closed up $2.88, 0.46% on the day. After hours, we are currently sitting at about $624.10 on the bid and $624.25 on the ask. We closed at 623.71. So if I can just zoom out a little bit here and give you guys some, better perspective of where Tesla and what Tesla needs to do. As of right now, Tesla needs to clear out all of this consolidation that it's been doing underneath the 50-day moving average, and $636, 635 to 636, that is the channel that we need to take out. It's going all the way back here to 528. So since 528, we touched this once, twice, had a complete breakdown here, found a little bit of support here, bounced, had a push up and then closed down. And then we've sort of been, grinding higher each and every day. Tesla has been showing signs that it wants to make a run. We've had call option buying coming in for $620 expirations for this week. We've had 650 weeklies coming in. We've also got some 650 weeklies for next week. And I also seen some 700s coming in. So the betters are coming in. However, I also did see a $450 put, rather large bet for the first week of July. So someone that could be a hedge. Someone could be thinking that Tesla is not going to, clear out this 50-day moving average. It's going to get rejected. The overall market is going to get weak, and then Tesla is going to sell off, and possibly they're hedging against their long position. I have no idea why and what these big people, these big bettors are thinking when they're placing these bets. But I do know that option flow does drive market flow. So with that being said, Tesla is grinding up slower. The big level that is on watch is obviously going to be here at 632. And then that is going to give you an initial push to all of this supply in here at 636. Tesla does need to get above $644 to clear out macro. And when I mean clear out macro, that means to go ahead and reclaim the 50-day moving average. If we just take stocks like Amazon, what they did after clearing out the 50-day moving average, it's up 200 points. Nvidia up 150 points. Apple, since clearing out 128.50, has been on an incredible move. Obviously, Apple is a slower moving stock. It doesn't have a high daily true range. However, big bets were coming in on Apple for 138, 137, 139 for this week and next week. So you kind of get the idea here. If Tesla can clear out $632, that initial scalp move to 636 is 4 points. Okay. If you're not happy with 4 points, I don't really know what else, what else to tell you, because, depending on your position sizing, 4 points is a lot. Whether you're trading 10 contracts at 4 points, 100 shares at 4 points, 1,000 shares at 4 points, that's a lot. Definitely, I would be looking to enter into Tesla to take a scalp from 632 to 636. I will scale out some profits at 636. I will hold a runner to see if it can continue to grind higher and reclaim this 50-day moving average, and then add to my position through $636. Obviously, if Tesla, once it does close above the 50-day moving average, it's game on. It's pretty much, close your eyes, click the mouse, buy, because as soon as it can clear out the 50-day moving average, you have room from 645, 646 all the way up here to 680. Okay, that's a 40-point move. 40-point move. So if you're a swing trader, if you're a day trader, if you're a scalper, that is the big macro picture. The big macro move on Tesla that you are looking for is clearing out $643.87, closing above that. And I'll just use a very general example. If in tomorrow's session, Tesla manages to take out 632, clears over 636, and closes right at the 50-day moving average at $643, $644, all systems go to hold that trade overnight. Because if you hold that trade overnight, I'm not saying that it is going to happen, but there's a very high probability that Tesla could gap up higher in the following session, which would be Thursday's session. So obviously this still could take a few days to play out. Obviously Tesla, can get completely rejected at 632, 636, and then come all the way back down into the 620s. There's a lot of support here at 618, 617, 614, so forth and so forth. Tesla really doesn't start to get into any trouble to the downside until it loses this whole 3-4 day channel here at $609. From $609, it's going to have an initial move to 596, 594, and then obviously 587.86. But for me, the bigger picture here is to reclaim this 50-day moving average. Tesla has been trading under the 50-day moving average ever since 430. Okay, so ever since April 30th, it has been trading below the 50-day moving average. This is huge potential here if Tesla can show some strength, if the overall market, the NASDAQ, the triple Qs are making all-time highs right now. So it would be great if they could pull up Tesla, get those people who are placing these big bets on the option side of things to really get this stock going and sort of clear out these trees in the forest. But definitely Tesla is something that I'm looking for, guys. 632 to 636, and anything over 636 can take you to 643, and obviously over 644 we could see 670s once again on Tesla. I will see you guys all in the next video. Also, I just started a Patreon. So if you guys would like to see me continue to make these videos, please support my work. I also have a private Discord where I drop daily signals and watch lists, potential buy zones, and try to go over a little bit more in-depth training, making some videos there for my patrons. So go ahead and check that out in the description. I will see you guys all on the next video.